What is he doing? Be careful.
Yeah, check it out. You have to take it out? Yeah, you have to take it out.
He took it out.
Yeah.
You like the ice cream, Jaden?
Yeah.
What ice cream is that?
I'm eating.
What are you eating? What flavor is that?
Vanilla. Vanilla.
Yeah.
Vanilla ice cream.
You love vanilla ice cream?
Look, vanilla ice cream.
Yeah.
Vanilla ice cream.
Yeah. Well, what about your flavor, John?
Chocolate ice cream. Oh, you want a chocolate ice cream? Chocolate.
Chocolate ice cream.